Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Defense Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and a default search engine. Then search Defense Bank. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.defensebank.com.au. Then on the top right corner, click to login. It will then redirect you to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your member number, then enter your password. Then click to login. Then you should be able to access your Defense Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking to forgot your password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.